Hi guys, so in this video, I will show you how to become a seller on Fiverr. So first is open Fiverr and click this button, become a seller. So if you don't have an account yet, just create one. Then complete your seller profile. So answer all the personal questions, your name, display name, profile picture, description, and the languages you know, and their proficiency levels. And then after that, click continue. Next is fill out your professional information, your occupation, skills, education, certifications, and personal website if you have one. Once done, click continue. You will then see the account security section. So now verify your email and phone number. After that, you will have your seller account on Fiverr. That's all. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Bye!